Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete a listing in Vrbo. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Vrbo. Right now I'm going to take you guys to this guide that explains how do I remove a unit from my listing. If your multi-unit listing has not been published yet, click the property icon in the navigation menu, find the appropriate units from the list, click Manage to expand the drop-down menu, click Archive. If your listing has been published, you can hide a unit temporarily by contacting the customer service team for assistance. We are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week if you no longer own the units or will never need to list it again. Use the remove your entire listing and then relist with just the units that should be live on the site. If you no longer need to advertise multiple units, you can switch your multi-unit listing to a single unit property through our site. Please remember to remove any reference to additional units in the description for your listing. So this is how you can remove or delete, also hide a unit from your listings. Right here, we have this guy who is asking for the best way to delete and relist a VRBO listing. And right here, there is some answers. This guy answered, not sure where property is located. However, pre-COVID VRBO bookings were 90% and Airbnb 10. Now it has reversed, so that could also be your problem. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.